Police charge after man is reportedly assaulted while in custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two police officers were on Thursday charged for reportedly assaulting a man while he was in custody at a lockup in Kingston, Jamaica. The charges were laid against the woman corporal and a district constable when they appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on a summons. Woman Corporal Corinne Cunningham was charged with assault, occasional actual bodily harm, contrary to law, while a district constable Brendan Clark was charged with assault, occasionally and grievous bodily harm, contrary to Section 20 of the Offences Against a Person Act. They are to return to court on November 10. The charges stem from an investigation by the Independent of Commission Indicom and a ruling by the Director of Public Prosecution. Indicom stated that the cops are accused of assaulting a man while he was in custody at the lockup in Kingston. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.